This conference is a must-attend for anyone involved with continuing professional development and continuing certification.
You got everybody here at once, so you can throw ideas off each other and maybe improve your products and improve the way you interact with your candidates and diplomates.
To reconnect with people, I think it's very exciting.
We all kind of face the same things and all can learn from each other and help each other. So it's always nice to connect and meet new people too.
I think it's really important to share insights from across the country and other countries as well in terms of the marrying between educational opportunities and quality improvement.
I'm excited to be here in Chicago and here at the ABMS Conference, and looking forward to learning a whole lot more so that I can continue to grow in my position.